Hello and welcome back to Coffee and Kisses. If you're new, then welcome to your first time to Coffee and Kisses. My name is Brandy Coffey. I'm the owner. We share the most amazing, long-lasting, anti-aging skincare and makeup. And today we're going to be talking about our newly reformulated concealers, which are crazy pigmented and will cover anything you could ever want. So we have light, dark, and medium, and we're gonna swatch them for you all today. So enjoy. Okay, light is actually what I wear underneath my eyes to highlight, conceal, and correct. Now medium is a little too dark for me, but it does have a very warm undertone, and I have used it to correct a dark circle if I'm wearing a really full coverage foundation that will cover it up. If you're my skin tone and you have some dark circles, this it has a little bit of an orangey warm undertone that you could use as a corrector. And then this deep dark color, this is perfect for me to go ahead and bronze and do a little bit of contouring. So that's what I use it for. Let's go ahead and swatch these guys. So we're gonna start with light first. Okay. And we're just gonna use one little dot. One little dot, and these are so highly pigmented, and all of this is from Lip Sense that was like from 3 days ago. Look at that. Okay, so that's light. Now it is, of course, it's lighter than my skin tone, but it works really well to brighten and conceal. I used my little beauty blender up under my eye. And then the medium, like I said, this is for a little bit, it would be for a darker skin tone than me if you wanted to use it as concealer, or you could spot conceal, but also you can use it to color correct because of the tone. For me, it works really well to color correct. So again, one little dot. Let's put this. Look how pigmented, look at that one little dot. I could spread that all around. So that's the light and that's the medium. That's the difference there. And then let's do the dark. So we're going to do the dark, and that's upside down. I'm not a professional. Let's do the dark. And these also have our anti-aging Seneplex complex, which helps renew the skin cells quicker. So, okay, and that is dark. So, light, medium, and dark. Look at that. Look at what that one little dot. So, that covers our light, medium, and deep concealers. They are amazing. They are super highly pigmented, and they have our Seneplex complex in there, which is our skincare. Let me know if you need any. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.